say farewell.
ให้มีฮี
So
ให้มีฮี
I have been here 10 years. So our student also appeared HSLC 8 times. Since the high school is opened here, I came in this school. So now the present class 10 will be 9 batch. So I am very happy to be with you. Even though we face difficulties and a problem in the midst of these 10 years, but God help us to pass through all these problems with you, with my colleagues and with my students. So we come to the day of farewell. So, and my service is only 5 years more. I almost retired, and if another 5 years pass, I will be retired from my service. If God give me a chance to serve Him again as a voluntary, maybe I do somewhere else, His ministry. I don't know. That is God's will. If God's will and if God give me opportunity to continue His service, and moreover, if God give me a life, to say, to reach the retired also. That is, I don't know. No one knows that when our life will end. So if my life is given to me by God till my retirement, and if God give me a good opportunity and good health, till my death, I want to serve Him. So that is my wish and my heart desire. So today, when my spirit speed comes, it comes in my mind. And before that, my retired also very near. If God's will, I want to continue here till my retirement. I say, but God does not permit me. And in that time, if I think about that, the words of God comes in my mind. That is Deuteronomy chapter 1, verse 6. What Moses says, the last word, maybe when he was in the wilderness, in the Mount of Sinai, what God spoke to him came in my mind. That is, verse 6, when we were at Mount Sinai, the Lord our God said to us, "You have stayed long enough at this mountain. Break camp and move on. Go to the hill country of the Amorites and to all the surrounding region, to the Jordan Valley, to the hill country and to the lowlands, and to the southern regions and to the Mediterranean coast. Go to the land of Canaan and on beyond the Lebanon mountains as far as the great rivers Euphrates. All of this is the land which I, the Lord, promised to give to your ancestors, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and to their descendants. Go and occupy it. You have stayed long enough at this mountain." So this is the place where I stayed longest one in my service. The second one is in Tripura, Tridu. I was there 9 years. Here 10 years, the longest years I have been here. So even though I like to serve the Lord with you here, but God says that you have stayed long enough at this mountain. Go to the hill country, the Jordan Valley. If we look at the country, our country as well as our district, Karbi Anglong, there are many places which the good news, the gospel, could not yet reach. So God called me to reach that place. When I have to stay, the place, Longit Bursan area, is a new pastorate, only 5 years old pastorate. And the church also very small, and small church, 12 churches are there. And the farthest place of our church will be 70 kilometers away from the pastorate center. So that place, God wants to show me His land. God wants to occupy me that place again for His gospel. So that is what I think it comes in my mind. So, and that is the first word, let me say about the words of God. And after that, I would like to bid farewell to my colleagues, all the teachers, because of their patience, because of their loves, and because of their care, I could complete my service here in this place 10 years long. So that is because of their patience and care and love, only I know. And we work together with a good atmosphere. And we serve together the student. Everything without any hesitance and without any, difficulties, and we could serve together here. So that is, I would like to thank to all my colleagues and those who are going to transfer also. We are supposed to be in different place. We will not work together, and because of that, I will miss them all. And I would like to say for all the other students, and especially from KG 1, KG 2, when you grow up, class 1 and especially the smaller one, when you grow up, I may not able to remember you. Because the student, the children are growing up and they change their physical appearance and all, and their body, everything. Some of them you may not know their original face structure. Sometimes I could remember my old student, but sometimes I could not remember because of their physical change. But I would like you to remember that wherever you meet me, I hope you will recognize me. But if I am very old, then you may forget me also, and my physical face appearance, my wrinkles and all. And if it appears those things, and you may not able to remember me, but I hope you will remember me, and whenever you meet, and wherever you come to my place and visit me and come to my quarter, or even in Aizawl, or if you visit my place, and I would like you to visit me and meet me. That is what I request, and all the students, and especially I would like to say for class 10 again, farewell. Every year I used to say for farewell speech to class 10. And this class 10 student, I expect you outstanding result. Okay, that is remember. Because since when you were lower class, up to class 8, I used to tell you, your result always outstanding. But last year, a little bit drop, now you come up again. So you have 2 months. Make improvement and do your level best. I mean that level best, okay? I don't want you only somehow good, okay? Somehow good. Everyone, we have our own level best. Do your level best. Obey your parents. And whenever you have problems, don't hesitate to approach your teacher. So that is what I would like to advise you. And after this farewell feast, I will give you answer paper of English 1. So from that, you made many mistakes again. You did not answer what I have told you to answer also. So I will give you out again. Don't make mistake in the final. That is what I would like you to say. And your result also not so bad in English. I used to judge from English result, your final result. But sometimes it's wrong also, sometimes it's right. So this time what will be? Okay. So I would like you to remember, obey your parents, love your parents, and respect your parents, and do your level best. Best, not good, okay? Not better, best, okay? Reach your level best. That is for a farewell speech. And as we have heard, be strong and tough. In your future, you will face different kinds of situations. In that place, don't be discouraged and be strong and tough to do good. Okay, to do good things. Choose the right one. So don't choose the bad things. When you mix with other people, always choose the right one. You learn. Two roads diverse in a yellow wood. No. Always it will be two roads diverge in your way. So choose the right one. Think it, use your second thought, not your first thought. That is for class 10, I would like to say. And thank you very much for all my colleagues and to our students. You have given me a chance to speak at a farewell speech. And most of our students pass out from this school, more than 100 students in a good divisions. And this coming result also, all of you from KG1 itself, try to make always outstanding result in your level best. That is, I wish you in your future success. Thank you.